Okay. No more bubbles? I know. We dumped the bubbles out.
She turned it on. There's some more in that.
There you go, all water.
And get some more.
No, that's enough.
And I don't have a lot.
You don't have a lot?
Mm-mm.
Well, that's sad.
I miss some more. Henry.
What are you doing? If I put more in there, you ain't gonna be able to pick it up.
Get some more.
Now what are you gonna do? A bucket full of water. Bucket head.
Okay. I'll move the chat. And move the towel.
A towel?
Oh, there's the door. I'm going to get that off the water.
Okay, dump it in the water.
Dad.
I see that.
Dad.
Thank you.
Dad.
Thank you.
Dad.